it's been a little while since we've come at you guys with a tips and tricks or a hack video. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite tips. I use it every time I go out. So right here we have our 6x12 with an 8-foot tent. So this tip is going to work with the 6x12 if you have an 8-foot tent or our 17-foot trailer. Both of those models have a little patio out here when it's all opened up, but what that allows when it's closed up is some extra storage space. So I always have way too much stuff going with me when I go camping. In this model, so in these two models here, we have about 15 inches of clearance under here for height. And kind of what I found is at home, if you're like me, you probably have a whole bunch of these black and yellow bins or any sort of bin that all your extra camping gear is stored in. So these are the 27-gallon totes. You can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco, even anywhere. But what I have found is I pack all my extra camping gear in these. These totes fit perfectly under there. So in this 6x12 with an 8-foot tent, you can slide a total of 5 of these bins under there. So we do a lot of our food, a lot of just extra camping gear in here, all of our utensils, pots, pans, anything like that. Just gives a really cool storage space for all of that extra camping gear. Keep the bed of your truck or the back of your SUV clear for other stuff. So in this 12-foot version, like I say, you can fit 5 of them. In our 17-foot version, you can actually fit 6 of them. So that's just one tip, one trick that I use when I'm out camping to really maximize that space and get all of our gear there while still being somewhat organized.